What's up, guys? We got this V8 Roush package. This is the donor car that you guys saw in the previous video, but the engine still does run. We're gonna do like all the belts, spark plugs, coils, re-gasket everything, valve cover gaskets, intake gaskets, exhaust gaskets, oil pan gaskets, once the engine is completely out. And then we're just gonna get all that addressed so that when we go to put it in the red Mustang, you know, everything just lines up, everything is in order. This is the next side of the project, uninstalling this Mustang engine. I think it's a 4.6, but yeah, let's just dive right into it.
Voice goes, voice
Slide BT.
goes, voice. Yeah, just know we gotta be level. Just know we gotta be level. No need to hawk him down, just know you gotta be settled. And Brody got a pound, you know the real elite rebel. And that's enough to be settled. When we got super status, bitch, we got our own cars. And I don't need a whole baby, I need my own parts. And I got decent money, so I bought my own tart. They try to play with me, that's how they broke their only heart. No need to waste my breath, you know if we on the same page. We left Lil' Brody stuck, we left him on that same stage. We thought you niggas knew better, so we got hunt you down. And she try to eat my energy, but that's my only crown.
Alright, we're gonna attempt to winch this thing from a distance on the other side. Cool. So that did work. This will be the travel part, the whole thing.
Let's talk about the real, let's talk about that cash box. I'm trying to install Illuminati doors just in the stash box. Don't worry about my money, babe, what happened to your gas card?
Alright, so we're making a lot of progress. Letting all the fluids drain out for a minute. Get ready, I got the harness separated from the fuse box. I just want to leave whatever lines I can leave on the engine. Just leave them there. I'm gonna run out and grab some lunch real quick. Come back and then start finishing the process.
I'm trying to do like 83 and burn some asphalt. And by the end of that, it might just smell like bath salt. I'm with Uno and Baby G, they turn like NASCAR. Bitch, I'll take care of you like fast food. Anything like that part. You know I can't go outside unless I got my hat. Just know we gotta be level. Just know we gotta be level. No need to hawk him down, just know you gotta be settled. And Brody got a pound, you know the real elite rebel. And that's enough to be settled. When we got super status, bitch, we got our own cars. And I don't need a whole baby, I need my own parts. And I got decent money, so I bought my own tart. They try to play with me, that's how they broke their only heart. Voice, I think this shit can go like in his own world. I think I lost my heart, damn it, I need my baby girl. Someone call the ambulance, I think I need a hurl. You can't hang with the guys no more, cause it ain't up to me. Tryna get retarded diamonds on and bezel stuck to me. You gotta keep it cool, you gotta keep it low key. No, you can't be my brand new hoe if you can't count to three. No, you can't be my brand new hoe if you can't count to three. Just know we gotta be level. Just know we gotta be level. No need to hawk him down, just know you gotta be settled. And Brody got a pound, you know the real elite rebel. And that's enough to be settled. When we got super status, bitch, we got our own cars. And I don't need a whole baby, I need my own parts. And I got decent money, so I...
She is out. God is amazing. We're gonna take the trans out next. But I had a busy day early, started off early. I had a 2017 Nissan I had to do some work to. 2023 Nissan I had to do some work to. I had to do some work to the black truck across the street. But God is good, and he gave me a way to and the strength to get this thing out today. I thought I was gonna have to wait till the weekend to get it out, but we got it out. And now we're just gonna clean up the rest of this and see what things we can keep and what else we can part out.
Just know we gotta be level. Just know we gotta be level.